How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 linear. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here, and then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. So today I'll be using our optional SIG plug, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll plug in my SIG plug to power here. And then on your SIG plug, you have your on-off switch with your LED indicator showing your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for about 2 seconds, you'll see your light bar will go to steady burn, and it will steady burn in the secondary color of your light bar. And then if you hold the flash pattern button down for about 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me today, and you'll notice on our multicolor units they flash back and forth between color A and color B. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor configurations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought an amber clear in our dual color configuration, and here I brought our red, blue, amber in our tricolor configuration. But again, you can get these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you even have the ability to run your primary colors or your secondary colors individually, or your unit in multicolor with the built-in patterns. So let's go over those. So built into the flash patterns, you have 4 patterns in your primary colors. So on my red, blue, amber unit, my primary colors are red, blue, and on my amber clear unit, my primary color is amber. So you have 4 patterns in your primary color, and then you'll have 4 patterns in your secondary color. Now the secondary color on my red, blue, amber is amber, and the secondary color on my amber clear is clear. So you'll have 4 patterns in your secondary color. And then once you get past those patterns, you get back to your multicolor flash patterns. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can slide along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount bracket and our headache rack bracket, which you'll mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers the features of our MultiColor K-Force Micro 14 linear. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out the interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.